Guam Waterworks Authority presents How to Detect Water Leaks in Your Home and Property. Bathroom Edition. Check the faucet for leaks or drips. Look under the sink for any water leakage and rotate the valve to see if there are any leaks present. The majority of household leaks are caused by the toilet. You can check for leaks by opening the tank and putting drops of food coloring in the tank. If you see color leaking into the toilet bowl area, you have a leak. Usually this is from the flapper not sealing properly or calcium buildup. If there is a toilet leak, find the shutoff valve and replace the flapper. Make sure there is no calcium buildup around the hole where the flapper sits. Shower. Look for leaks on the connection from the wall to the shower hose. Observe if there are any drippings on the wall. Check faucets for any drips coming from the handle. If there are drippings from the handles, you can tighten the valves with a compatible wrench. If you cannot stop the leak, you'll need to call a licensed plumber. Let's recap. Look for leaks on the sink faucet and shower heads. Use food coloring in the toilet tank to detect a toilet leak. Replace the flapper if you see color in the bowl area. Be sure to remove calcium buildup from the flapper hole. Check all connections on sink and shower for leaks. Repair or replace as necessary. Use a licensed plumber if you require assistance. We hope these tips will help you avoid costly water leaks and help all of us conserve our most precious natural resource. Thank you for your time. For more information, call, click, or visit Guam Waterworks Authority. We're here to help you.